Lovey, where's my pretty girl, Lovey? Where's my pretty? Oh, where's the pretty girl? What's my pretty girl doing? Lovey, Lovey, what's my pretty girl doing, huh? Oh, her can stand up for a long time. Oh, her stands up for a long time. What are you guys doing in the chair? Cherry, you got your toy? You got your toy, baby? You got your toy, pretty girl. What you doing with your toy, baby? Cherry, you got a toy? I see your toy. You got a toy. That's a baby girl. What's Piper doing? You messing your hair up, girl? Piper. You messing your hair up, baby? That's a Piper, Viper. Piper. Cody. Cody. Dagger. Dagger. What are you doing, Miss Lovey? What are you doing, Miss Lovey? Lover. What you got? What's Mommy got?
Pooh Bear.
What's Mommy got, Lover? Piper. There's Mr. Dagger. Hey, Mr. Dax. Hey, Mr. Dagger. Hey, Mr. Dagger. Dagger. Daggy, what a pretty boy. Say hi, Daddy, with his doggies. Leo, what's Mommy got? Leo, what's Mommy got? Leo, what's Mommy got? What's Mommy got? Leo.
Her party hair is soft, and her middle hair is hard. Why is that? Cody? Why is your party hair so soft and your black hair so rough? Cody, come on now.
Too many kisses. Too many kisses, Daddy.
Okay.
I think Cody has fallen in love head over heels with Daddy. And Dagger has, for sure. Dagger, what's Mommy got? Dagger, look, look. Dag. And pretty little Rocco. Daddy's baby. Look, Daddy's baby.